Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install Notepad++ on Windows operating system. So first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here Notepad++ download. Hit enter. So that will show you this notepad++.org. Go to their official site. This link I am going to provide right on our video description. Once when you're here, you will see this latest version of Notepad++ version 8.9 is available to download. So you need to click on the first one. You will see a download button coming over here. So you need to click on this and it's going to immediately start downloading your Notepad. See, it is rightly downloaded. So just simply click on that installer. You can minimize your browser. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes. And there you go. Here to select your language, so you can see you have all these different languages. So I'm going to proceed with English. Click on OK. Welcome to Notepad. Click on next. You need to read this license agreement and you need to accept it. This is where our Notepad is going to be installed. Totally fine. Click on next and click on next again. Let's select this, create a shortcut on desktop, and other things you can keep it default and click on install. That's going to start installing your Notepad, and it is rightly installed as well. Here is our desktop shortcut, so you can easily open it by double clicking on it. For now, run Notepad++ is rightly selected. Click on finish. That's going to launch our Notepad. So here is our Notepad. You can maximize this. So you can close this change.log and you can go to file and then you need to click on this open folder as workspace. And let's go to our desktop and create a new folder as HTML. So we'll do a bit of HTML coding now. So here is our HTML folder. So let's create a new file. So just click on this icon and that's going to create a new file for you. So I'll save this file first. So go to file and click on save as. Go to desktop. On our HTML folder only we are going to save this file. So first you need to click on the save as and you need to make it all file type, and let's save this file as index.html. Click on save. So if we expand this, you are going to see this index.html file over here. So that exact file is opened over here. So I'll just simply get a boilerplate for HTML. So HTML boilerplate. Hit enter. So you can get a boilerplate from Google Gemini and paste it over here. So you can write something on your body tag. So let's give one h1 tag and write something. You need to first close this h1 tag and then you can just simply write something within h1 tag, something like hello world. So just save this file by clicking on this button. Next let's go to our desktop and here is our folder of HTML. So if you double click on it, it's going to show you the output on your browser. So whatever you have written, it's going to show you that. So that's your install Notepad++ and you can start working on your Notepad++. So in my previous videos, I have showed you about all these different plugins, then macros and all that. So do check my other videos, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel Geeky Script. And also please do join our community. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. And also if you're interested on Python, I highly recommend you to follow this playlist. So all these videos are completely free and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.